AUTOMET Women's Oversized Leather Jacket, Faux Suede Fall Fashion Motorcycle Coat for Winter 2024. Fabric. Made from high-quality faux leather, this jacket features a blend of 68% polyurethane, 27% polyester, and 5% cotton for durability and comfort. Design. This oversized, long-sleeve zip-up motorcycle jacket embodies Y2K fashion with its trendy and punk-inspired style. It's the perfect addition to your fall wardrobe, serving as a stylish moto biker outerwear option. Versatile matching. Ideal for spring, autumn, and winter, this jacket effortlessly pairs with a basic t-shirt and jeans for a casual look, or layered over a dress shirt for more formal occasions. Its all-match style makes it a must-have outerwear piece in your collection. Timeless style. Featuring a professional cut and premium stitching, this jacket showcases a stand collar with a button for a cool touch. The smooth zippers on the chest and waist, along with two side pockets, add both functionality and flair. The slim fit design highlights your figure, ensuring you look stylish and confident. Occasion. Perfect for daily wear, outings, dates, clubbing, parties, or travel. This oversized leather jacket can be styled in countless ways to achieve fashionable looks throughout fall, winter, and spring.